Welcome to the next class. Today we'll continue with discussion on transformation formula. We'll discuss the second set. This is called CD formulas. So these are the four formulas: sin C plus sin D. This is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Sin C minus sin D. This is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. And the third one, that's for cos C plus cos D. This is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. The fourth one, that's for cos C minus cos D. This is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. So C minus D by 2, C minus D by 2, this is D minus C by 2. Or this can also be written minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Minus sign can be written here, or we write D minus C. So let us solve questions based on these formulas. The first one, we have to prove this is equal to minus sin 2x upon cos of 10x. Starting from left hand side, this is sin 17x minus sin of 3x. This is like cos C minus cos D. This is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2, that's 9 plus 5, 14 by 2, that is 7x, into sin of D minus C by 2, that's minus 2x. This is 2 cos this plus this upon 2, that is 10x, into sin of the difference, that will be 14 upon 2, 7x. So 2 will cancel out. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. This is sin of 2x, then cos of 10x into sin of 7x. So sin of 7x will cancel out. This is minus sin 2x upon cos of 10x. This is what we wanted to prove. The next one, we have to prove cos 18 minus sin 18. This is root 2 into sin of 27 degrees. So we start from left hand side. This is cos 18 minus sin of 18. This is cos of 18 minus sin of 18, can be written 90 minus 72. So this is cos of 18 minus sin 90 minus theta is cos of theta. So this is cos of 72. This is cos C minus cos D. Cos C minus cos D. This is 2 sin 18 plus 72 by 2 into sin of 72 minus 18 by 2. That's 2 sin 45 degrees into sin of, this will be 27 degrees. 2 sin 45, value of sin 45 1 by root 2 into, this is sin of 27 degrees. 2 upon root 2 is root 2. So this is root 2 into sin of 27 degrees. This is what we wanted to prove. This is equal to the right hand side. Now coming to the next one, we have to prove 1 plus cos of 2x plus cos of 4x plus cos of 6x. This is equal to 4 cos of x into cos of 2x into cos of 3x. Here also we start from left hand side. 1 can be written cos of 0x. So this is cos of 0x plus cos of 2x plus cos 4x plus cos of 6x. Let us change the order. This is cos of 2x plus cos of 0x. We'll pair like this, and this is cos of 6x plus cos of 4x. Make pairs like this. This is cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. This is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2. Take 2 cos of x common. It's cos x plus cos of 5x. This is 2 cos of x. Let's write cos 5x plus cos of x. This is 2 cos x, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. That's 4 cos of x into cos of 2x into cos of 3x. This is what we wanted to prove. The next one, we have to prove sine of alpha plus 2 pi by 3 plus sine of alpha plus 4 pi by 3. This is equal to 0. Starting from left hand side, I write this term first. This is sine alpha plus 4 pi by 3 plus sine alpha plus 2 pi by 3 and plus sine of alpha. This is sine c plus sine d. It's 2 sine sum of angles, first angle plus second angle upon 2 into cos of difference, alpha plus 4 pi by 3 minus alpha minus 2 pi by 3 upon 2 plus sine of alpha. This is 2 sine, this is alpha, this is 6 pi upon 3, that is 2 pi upon 2, it's pi, into cos of, this alpha will cancel out, 2 pi by 3 upon 2 is pi by 3 and plus sine of alpha. Now sine pi plus alpha is minus sine of alpha. So minus 2 sine of alpha, value of cos pi by 3, that's 1 by 2 plus sine of alpha. This will cancel out. So this is 0. This is what we wanted to prove. So we observe that CD formulas, they convert sum of 2 sines or 2 cosines to product. AB formulas are used for product to sum or difference, whereas CD formulas, they transform sum or difference to product. Continuing with questions, the next one, we have to prove cos of alpha plus cos of beta plus cos of gamma plus cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to the right hand side. So starting from left hand side, which is cos of alpha plus cos of beta plus is cos gamma plus cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma, cos alpha plus cos beta. This is 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 into cos alpha minus beta by 2. This is 2 cos gamma plus alpha plus beta plus gamma by 2 into cos is gamma minus alpha minus beta minus gamma by 2. This is 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 into cos alpha minus beta by 2. This is gamma plus gamma upon 2 is gamma plus alpha by 2 plus beta by 2 into cos, this is minus alpha by 2 plus beta by 2. Now cos of minus theta is cos of theta, so we change this to 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 into cos alpha minus beta by 2 plus 2 cos gamma plus, this is alpha by 2 plus beta by 2. Cos of minus theta is cos of theta. We take 2 cos alpha by 2 plus beta by 2 common. So 2 cos alpha by 2 plus beta by 2 common. Inside we have cos of alpha by 2 minus beta by 2 and plus cos of gamma plus alpha by 2 plus beta by 2. That's 2 cos alpha by 2 plus beta by 2. Now this is cos C plus cos D. This is 2 cos sum of angles upon 2 into cos of difference of angles minus gamma minus alpha by 2 minus beta by 2 upon 2. 2 into 2 is 4. This is cos alpha plus beta by 2. Inside bracket cos, this will cancel out. This is alpha plus gamma by 2 into cos of alpha by 2 will cancel out. This is minus beta minus gamma by 2, and again cos of minus theta is cos theta. So this gives us the answer 4 cos alpha plus beta by 2 into cos beta plus gamma by 2 and into cos gamma plus alpha by 2. This is what we wanted to prove. The next one, we have to prove cos of alpha plus cos of beta whole square plus sin alpha plus sin beta whole square. This is equal to 4 cos square alpha minus beta by 2. So we will use CD formulas on the left hand side. This is sum of 2 cosines, this is sum of 2 sines. So we change sum to product. This is 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 into cos alpha minus beta by 2. This is whole square plus 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 into cos alpha minus beta by 2 and whole square. 2 square, this is 4 cos square alpha plus beta by 2 into cos square alpha minus beta by 2 plus 4, this is sin square alpha plus beta by 2 into cos square alpha minus beta by 2. That's 4. Taking cos square alpha minus beta by 2 common, inside is cos square alpha plus beta by 2 plus this sin square alpha plus beta by 2. Now cos square theta plus sin square theta, this is 1. So this gives us equal to the right hand side 4 cos square alpha minus beta by 2. The next one, 7th question, we have sin of a plus sin of 3a plus sin 5a plus sin 7a upon cos a plus cos 3a plus cos 5a plus cos 7a. We have to prove this is equal to tan 4a. So here also we will use CD formulas in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So starting from left hand side, this is sin 7a plus sin 5a plus sin 3a plus sin of a, writing the angles in descending order. This is cos of 7a plus cos of 5a and plus cos 3a plus cos of a. Will combine like this. This is 2 sin sum of angles upon 2 into cos of difference upon 2. 2 sin, once again, sum of angles upon 2 into cos difference of angles upon 2. This is cos C plus cos D, 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos of difference of angles upon 2. 2 cos sum of angles upon 2 into cos of difference of angles upon 2. And taking 2 cos of A common, it's sin 6a plus sin of 2a. This is 2 cos of A, cos of 6a plus cos of 2a. This cancels. Now applying CD formulas once again, sin C plus sin D, this is 2 sin sum of angles upon 2, that's 4a, into cos of difference of angles upon 2, that is cos of 2a. Denominator cos c plus cos d. This is 2 cos sum of angles upon 2 into cos of difference of angles upon 2. This is sin 4a upon cos 4a, that is tan 4a, and this is what we wanted to prove. So this is tan of 4a. So coming to the 8th question, sin of x is given n sin x plus 2 alpha. We have to prove tan of x plus alpha is equal to 1 plus n upon 1 minus n into tan of alpha. So this expression guides us that we have to use componendo and dividendo. So let's find out 1 by n from this. It's sin x plus 2 alpha upon sin of x. Applying componendo and dividendo, this is sin x plus 2 alpha plus sin of x, x plus 2 alpha minus sin of x, 1 plus n upon 1 minus n. This is sin c plus sin d, 2 sin sum of angles upon 2 into cos of difference of angles upon 2. This is 2 cos sum of angles upon 2 into cos of difference of angles upon 2. So 2 will cancel out, cos of alpha will cancel out. We are left with, this is sin c minus sin d. This is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So this will not get cancelled out. Sin upon cos, this is tan x plus alpha, and sin alpha upon cos alpha, this is tan of alpha. Shifting tan of alpha to the left hand side into tan of alpha, this is equal to tan x plus alpha, and this is what we wanted to prove. The next one, we have to prove cos of 6x plus 6 cos of 4x plus 15 cos of 2x and plus 10 upon cos 5x plus 5 cos of 3x upon 10 cos of x equals to 2 cos of x. We start from left hand side. Cos of 6x, so 6 cos of 4x, this will be written as cos of 4x plus 5 cos of 4x. Then 15 cos of 2x is 5 cos of 2x plus 10 cos of 2x and plus 10. This is upon cos of 5x plus 5 cos of 3x and plus 10 cos of x. So we write 10 as 10 cos of 0x. Cos of 0 is 1. So we combine like this, the first two terms, then the third and the fourth terms, and the last two terms. This is 2 cos sum of angles upon 2 into cos of difference of angles upon 2. 5 common, 2 cos sum of angles upon 2 into cos of difference of angles upon 2. This is 2 cos sum of angles upon 2 into cos of difference of angles upon 2, and no change in the denominator. Then from numerator we can take 2 cos 5x common. So inside this will be 2 cos of x common. Inside it will be cos of 5x plus 5 cos of 3x and plus 10 cos of x upon cos 5x plus 5 cos of 3x and plus 10 cos of x. So you can see this factor cancels out and we are left with the answer, which is 2 cos of x. This is what we wanted to prove. Coming to the last one, we are given sine of y plus z minus x, sine of z plus x minus y, and sine of x plus y minus z are given in AP. We have to prove tan x, tan y, tan z are in AP. Let us revise. If A, B, C are in AP, so this means B minus A is equal to C minus B. That is 2B is equal to A plus C. We are given 1, 2, 3 are in AP. This means second term minus first term, that's sine of z plus x minus y minus sine of y plus z minus x. This is same as difference of third and second terms, minus this is sine z plus x minus y. Now this is sine C minus sine D. This is also of the form sine C minus sine D. This is 2 cos sum of angles upon 2 into sine of difference of angles minus y minus z plus x upon 2. This is 2 cos sum of angles, that's x plus y minus z plus x minus y upon 2 into sine of difference x plus y minus z minus x plus y upon 2. Let's simplify. This cancels. We have cos minus x with plus x minus y with plus y. This is cos of z into sine of, this cancels out, and we have x minus y. This is equal to, now here y will cancel out, z cancels out, it's cos of x into sine of x cancels out, this is y minus z. So cos of z into sine of x minus y is equal to cos of x into sine of y minus z. Cos z, let us expand using sine of a minus b. Sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. This is cos of x, this is sine y cos z minus cos y into sine of z. Simplifying, cos y, this is cos z minus cos x sine y cos z. This is equal to cos x sine y cos z minus cos x cos y and sine z. So we want tans, tan x, tan y, tan z. So for that we divide throughout by cos x cos y cos z. Divide each term by cos x cos y cos z. This is cos y cos z. This also divided by cos x cos y cos z, and right hand side also divided by the same. This is cos x cos y cos z. So this will cancel out. This is tan x minus, here cos cancels out, cos z cancels out. This is minus tan y. This is equal to tan y and minus sin z upon cos z is tan z, and tan x minus tan y is equal to tan y minus tan z. This proves tan x, tan y, tan z, they are in AP.